Today, I'm going to show you how to put a password on Netflix profile. First thing you want to do is press on My Netflix account in the bottom right. Now press on the three lines in the top right and press on Manage Profiles. Choose the account you want to add a password and press on the Profile Lock option. Press on Create Profile Lock and it's going to ask you to enter in your account password. Go ahead and enter in your password, and once you do that, you can create a PIN password for that account. After you follow these steps, close the app and go back in that profile, and you should be able to enter in the PIN password you've just created for that profile. Now, if you are doing this on your laptop, press on the profile icon at the top right and press on Manage Profiles. Go ahead and select the profile that you want to add the password and press on Profile Lock. Now press on Create a Profile Lock, and before you can create your 4-digit PIN, they are going to ask you to confirm as you by entering your password or getting a code inside your email. Once you confirm your password or code, then after you'll be able to create your 4-digit PIN on this screen. Once you enter in your 4-digit PIN, press on Save PIN and you should be good to go. And that's it, guys. That's how to put a password on Netflix profile. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.